For years, X.One has set the standard in screen protection. Inspired by military-grade materials, our technology has delivered extreme impact protection, glass-like smoothness, and also crystal-clear clarity. But we didn't stop there. We listened to your feedback, we refined it, and now, we've perfected it. Introducing the all-new Extreme Shock Eliminator with Hybrid Installer Kit, treated with LotusFX coating for better glass-like smoothness. Stronger than ever, with the same unbeatable impact protection. And the biggest breakthrough, yet an effortless installation. No more alignment errors, just a perfect fit. Designed to withstand impacts up to 7 times better than ordinary screen protectors. The ultimate screen protector is here. The best just got better. X.One Extreme Shock Eliminator with Hybrid Installer Kit. Available now.